UPSC IS exam is conducted in 3 stages: UPSC Civil Service Preliminary Exam, UPSC Civil Service Mains Exam, and Personality Test, that is also called interview test. Candidates who successfully get through all the 3 rounds are selected for the estimated civil services. Now let's discuss the pattern of each stages in details. First of all, the UPSC Civil Service Prelims Exam. The UPSC exam pattern for the prelims stage is consist of 2 papers conducted on one day. Both the papers comprises objective type questions with multiple choice of answers. The prelims exam is a qualifying stage to filter candidates for the mains exam. The marks secured at these stages are not counted towards the final merit list. Though all candidates have to prepare well for the exam, as cutoffs are unpredictable and depends on the average score every year. The prelims exam consists of 2 papers, which are General Studies 1 and General Studies 2, which is also called CSET paper. Both the papers in prelims exam are carried to 100 mark and the exam duration is about 2 hours. Now let's talk about the mains exam. Only those candidates who secure at least the declared cutoff in General Studies 1 and 33% in General Studies 2 in prelims will be allowed to appear for the mains examination. The UPSC exam pattern for the mains stages consists of 9 papers conducted over 5 to 7 days. As per the exam pattern of UPSC mains, all of the papers consist of descriptive answer type questions. All of the mains paper except the language paper A and language paper B are of merit ranking nature. Paper A and paper B are a qualifying nature and candidate must score at least 25%. Paper A is not compulsory for candidates from state of Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Sikkim. All the paper except the language paper A and paper B can be answered in English or any language listed in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. The optional papers can be answered in English even if none of the other papers has been answered by the candidate in English. Now let's talk about the final stage, that is called personality test or interview. This is the final stage of the IS exam before the final result are declared. Officially, it is called interview or personality test and conducted as a part of the mains examination for the merit ranking purposes. As per the IS exam pattern, this consists of an interview by the UPSC board to assess the candidate's suitability for a civil service career and associated responsibilities. The board would judge the candidate mental and social traits by asking questions of general interest. Some of the qualities that the board look for are mental alertness, critical power of assimilation, clear and logical exposition, a balance of judgment, variety and depth of interest, ability for social leadership, intellectual and moral integrity. The maximum mark allotted for the interview stages is 275. One should start preparation in depth as the examination process lasts for almost a year. At the last of this video, I want to say the only thing: push yourself because no one is going to do it for you. See you soon, officers.